Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camera Jules here with another wig review. So today, before we get into the details of the unit, we always have to talk about the lippy. The lippy that I'm wearing today is a collab liquid matte lipstick in the color Blindfold. So you've got this beautiful bold color. And now into the details of the unit. And on the inside, you've got two combs on either side. You've got the comb in the middle, and then you've got the comb at the back with the adjustable straps. So this wig was sent to me by We Queen Hair. Thank you very much to We Queen Hair for sending me this wig. So now this is something different for me. You guys already know that I really like long hair. I like long hair. So this is a short hair. This is a bob. And this is a headband wig. So I said to you guys already that I'm trying all different colors, all different textures, all different lengths. So here you go. So this is the We Queen Human Hair Bob. It's in 12 inches and the color is 427. So you've got 4 here at the roots and then you've got here at the 27. The wig looks straight out of the package. This is the left side. Wow, I did not realize how humpy the top of this wig was until I started editing it and saw the side view. And I'm not a huge fan of that. This is the right side, and this is the back. Cap size is comfortable, so it is big head friendly. So this is very, very simple wig. This is the width of the headband, and I often like to fold my headband back just because I prefer that thinner look, and also it's easier to conceal this black band with your headbands if you have it folded. With We Queen headband wigs, they always come with 4 headbands. So these are the headbands that I got. So I will try on these headbands so you guys can see what they look like. So the hair right off the bat, it's very soft. There's no tangling, there's no shedding. This is a human hair wig. This will probably last for a very long time with good care. Very easy, throw on and go. This is like a very work-friendly wig. I would go more for a darker color if it's for work, but it is a very, very easy, simple wig. So I will put the information in the description box below to this wig, and I will also put a coupon code so you can save some money if you decide to purchase from this company. So now I'm going to try on the headbands. Now with a bob, it's not easily restyled like longer hair. I could do like a half up, half down. So there is the half up, half down. Yeah, it's a little too short for that. So I would say you could do the half up, half down, but really you're kind of limited because it is a shorter style. Maybe you could do like a little bit of a flip over look here. So first headband. And I have done a lot of headband wig reviews. So make sure you click the link above so you can watch my other headband wig reviews. I have reviewed several different colors, lengths, textures, different companies, from very budget friendly to a little more pricey. So yeah, make sure you check it out so you can see the options that are available. Okay, so this is the green headband. This is a nice color. And finally, we have the burgundy headband. This is a very nice color. And if you would like to get some alternate options for headbands, I also have some videos where I showcase some Amazon headbands. So that link will also be in the description box below. So very easy, very quick, throw on and go. Good for the gym, good for the grocery store, good for your Zoom calls, good for doing housework because it's nice and short, good for the hot weather. It's cold where I am right now, it's snow, we've got snow, but this is so easy because it's short, it's light, so very good in the hot weather. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post more stuff on Instagram than I do here on YouTube. So make sure you have me on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig. Hey, hey, hey. Bye, guys.
But yeah, this is the wig for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That way you see all the stuff that I don't post here on YouTube. And I will also let you know when I drop a new video just in case the notifications over here don't work. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you in the next video. Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig dance.
Dance, wig dance. Bye, guys. That was a remix. Bye, guys.